Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Update iOS and put AirPods in their case with the lid open, then hold them next to your iPhone. On iPhone, make sure Bluetooth is active and you're on the home screen. This forces the pairing prompt to appear. Tap Connect when the AirPods animation shows. Once done, follow on-screen steps for automatic setup. This is necessary so the accessibility features can detect your AirPods and use live listen and headphone accommodations. Now go to Settings, choose Accessibility, then tap AirPods or hearing devices to find live listen and headphone accommodations. Turn on live listen to use your iPhone as a remote microphone that sends sound to the AirPods. This improves speech clarity in noisy places. Enable headphone accommodations to boost soft sounds and tailor frequencies. Choose a preset or run custom calibration. Make sure your AirPods remain the selected output. Finish by testing in real conditions. Start live listen from Control Center and speak into the iPhone microphone to confirm sound reaches the AirPods. Adjust amplification and frequency shifts until speech sounds natural. Once comfortable, save settings and optionally add accessibility shortcut for one-tap access. If things go wrong, no audio, choppy sound, or no connection, repair the AirPods, ensure both batteries are charged, restart the iPhone, and re-enable the features. That sequence fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.